Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Netlify. Let's get started. I'm currently logged in into my Netlify account. The first step is to go to the domain section. Click on Add or Register Domain. Now, head over to your GoDaddy account. From the dashboard, find the domain you want to use. Copy the domain name, then return to Netlify. Paste in the domain and click Verify. Once it's verified, click Add Domain. Then, click Continue. Now, Netlify will give you a set of custom name servers. You will need to copy each one, go back to GoDaddy, and click on Manage DNS next to your domain. Go to Name Servers section and click Change Name Servers. Select I'll use my own name servers, then paste each of the Netlify name servers into the fields provided. For the name servers 3 and 4, just click the plus icon, add name server, and paste it. After that, click Save, and GoDaddy will ask you to confirm the changes. Go ahead and click Continue. Once that's done, the name servers are updated. Now go back to Netlify and click Done. Your domain is now connected to your Netlify site. Note that it may take a few minutes to a few hours for the changes to fully propagate. And that's it. You have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Netlify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.